are welcome to Katrina's Price's Home, Life and More, where I share home decor inspiration. Tablescapes. Cooking in my priceless kitchen. Cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Videos are posted Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to follow me on all of my socials. Well, it's long overdue. This bathroom needs a deep cleaning and a refresh. And if you saw my Home Goods shopping haul, you know, I picked up a few good things. So let's get to the cleaning because it's always cleaning before decorating. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. I am Katrina. I'm a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor, and I love sharing bits and pieces of my life. If you like, the things I mentioned earlier in the video, consider subscribing to my channel. It's free and it's fun. Simply click on the subscription button and click the bell twice, and you'll never miss a future upload. Welcome to my priceless family. One more item for my bathroom. I stepped into my local Hammocks and they had this towel warmer on sale. And guess what? I had to have it. So here it goes. A towel warmer. Yeah. Some things are just, a want, and some things are just a need. And I needed and wanted this all at the same time. So let's talk about this luxury towel warmer. It can fit up to 20 liters in capacity, large enough for 2 extra large towels, some pajamas, a house coat, whatever you want to warm up in it. It has an automatic shut-off valve, and it has a 6-foot cord. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. And of course, I like doing at-home facials as well. So that's going to be an extra treat to give myself my at-home facial. And I'm sure mom's going to ask, when am I going to do her facial? You know how she goes. You know my mama. I absolutely love the way my bathroom turned out for this neutral early spring look. Check out the still photos. I appreciate you stopping by the channel on today. And as always, on your way out, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. And if you're new here, I know by now you've already subscribed. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.